Hi, I'm Keeley and this is my Ashford kitchen. The kitchen before was small and sandwiched between two rooms, and we were planning to do an extension on the back and make the kitchen bigger, more sociable space. I thought the kitchen was the most important space. I wanted someone to come in and do it from start to finish, but I knew exactly what I wanted. We did toy with a couple of other companies, but I always knew I wanted to go with Ashford Kitchens because I loved their showroom, and then we made the decision to proceed with them. And it was so seamless from start to finish. Loved the design process, loved the guys that came in to fit, loved it. When I embarked on this project, I had this September timeline to move in, and everyone said to me, "You'll never hit the timings," but Ashford Kitchens made it really easy because they stuck to their timings, they were really organised, they had a schedule of works, they stuck to it, which meant that actually we were able to move in when we said we were going to move in. When I come down in the morning and the sun's coming up, I walk in and I think, I just love this kitchen. I could be in it all day. We're actually really proud of the space that we've created. I can work in here, I can relax in here, I can cook in here, we can socialise in here. So yeah, it just means that we're using every inch. It did feel as though Ashford Kitchens were able to tailor certain elements of their kitchens to actually what I wanted and what I saw in the showroom. So that was fantastic. We get loads of compliments on our kitchen. So whenever anyone comes in, and they always compliment us, I always say, you need to go to Ashford Kitchens.